Mabuhay ang Pilipinas! Iboto sa eleksyon. Okay, hindi, joke lang. Kamusta na po kayo lahat? Tuwang-tuwa po ako na makita kayo lahat. Okay, tayo magkantahan na! Okay, kung gusto nyo pumalakpak, pwede. Kung gusto nyo mag-snap, pwede. Kung gusto mag-group, pwede. Here we go. Fancy meeting you alone in the crowd. Couldn't help but notice your smile, while everybody else around us is going about. Can we just stop and talk a while? Oh, I've been often told of hello. You tell me more about yourself. We could share a thought or two. Now who would mind? Napuputol mo lang mga mic dito. Maybe then we could go for a ride. Drive down to the countryside. Get away from the gray and frenzied hurly-burly of the city life. Isang hello nga dyan! Kanina ba kayo? First time ako mag-motorcade sa New York! Yeah! Ang saya-saya ko po talaga ngayon. I'm so happy to be here. I love you! Thank you! Sino may TFC? Sino nanonood ng ASAP XP? Early yet to say what lies ahead. It's the first day of the rest of our lives, and we just stop and talk a while, get to know each other. Who are we to know? Love could be waiting at the end, round that bend, and so let's stop and talk a while. Everybody say, let's stop and talk a while. Let's stop and talk a while. One more time. Let's stop and talk a while. 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 Maraming salamat po! Ayan ang bandila ng Pilipinas. Sorry, na-late ako. Kakanta sana ako ng national anthem, pero iba na lang. Meron po akong bagong album ngayon, ang mga love songs po ni Jose Marichan. Meron pa bang fans si Jose Marichan po dito? I'm so happy na pinayagan po ako ni Jose Marichan to sing his beautiful, beautiful songs. Ay, meron pa pala doon! Hello! Hi guys! Sa likod pa. Ang haba ng pila ng Portalet. Pero, thank you for being there. Okay. You know what, mga kababayan po, I traveled all over the world, pero ang pinakamagaganda pa rin ng mga Pilipino talaga. Grabe! Can I hear the beautiful girl? I wanna see all the beautiful girls in the house! Pati mga nasa likod. Okay, dito muna tayo. Sana hindi matanggal yung mic ko ulit. Beautiful girl, wherever you are, I knew when I saw you, you had opened the door. I knew that I'd love again after a long, long while. I'd love again. Everyone say hello. You said hello, I turned to go, but something in your eyes left my heart beating so. I just knew that I'd love again after a long, long while. I'd love again. It was destiny's game. For when love finally came on, I rushed in line only to find that you were gone. Wherever you are, I fear that I might have lost you forever, like the song in the night. Now that I've loved again, after a long, long while, I'd love again. It was destiny's game. But when love finally came on, I rushed in line only to find that you were gone. Para sa Pilipina, beautiful girl, I'll search on for you till all of your loveliness in my arms come true. You make me love again after a long, long while. I'd love again, and I'm glad that it's you. Beautiful girl. Thank you very much.